A day in the life of a mom that always cooks delicious food for her family. Hello, lovelies. Let's make healthy dinner for the whole family. Today I will be making salad and roasted chicken. You guys, this is one of the best meal you can have as a dinner. It's so light, healthy, and filling. Literally, it will satisfy your taste bud and makes you feel good. Here I have my thoroughly washed chicken. Now I'm cutting it open so that the spices will be able to enter inside and make it to be tasty and delicious. Once I'm done, I'll go ahead and add salt and my preferred spices. You guys, some people may not like my choice of spices, so go ahead and add your preferred spices. Cook according to your taste bud. As always, I make use of basic ingredients in my cooking, so go ahead and do you. I'm doing my thing here, okay? Now massage the chicken, making sure that every pieces of the chicken are well coated with the spices. Once I'm done, I will cover and allow it to marinate. We will come back to it shortly. It's been 1 hour. I'm going to arrange it on my rack and transfer in my preheated oven and allow it to roast. You guys, chicken is one of the best proteins you can eat every day without feeling guilty, especially when you make it juicy and tasty using the right amount of spices. Salad and chicken is a perfect match made in heaven. when you join fresh bread to complement it, oh my days, it's so amazing. Very simple and healthy meal to make any time of the day. For my carrot, I like to blanch it before cutting. Just allow it to come to a boil, then sieve it and add very cold water to stop it from cooking. I'll go ahead and cut my lettuce and cucumber. I've already washed the salad before cutting. You guys, this is the part some people doesn't like, cutting the salad. But trust me, it worth it at the end. Or do you like buying already made? For me, I like to make it myself. As always, homemade is the best. I like lots of cucumber in my salad. I'm going to add sweet corn to make it more tasty. I'll add salt to bring out the taste and olive oil for better digestion. Mix and mix and mix, and it's ready. Eating the salad with bread makes it more filling. Now I'm going to serve everyone, and the chicken is also ready. So basically, dinner is ready. We all enjoyed it.